Ever wondered what makes a motorcycle the best in the world? The answer often varies from person to person. However, some universally acclaimed traits truly define a motorcycle's greatness. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the top contenders. When it comes to motorcycles, there's a wide range to choose from. Let's take a moment to explore a few different types, shall we? First up, sport bikes. Known for their speed and agility, these machines are a thrill-seeker's dream. With their aerodynamic design and high-performance engines, sport bikes can deliver a rush like no other. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Next, we have cruisers. These are all about comfort and style. With a relaxed seating position and a design that's easy on the eyes, cruisers are perfect for those leisurely rides down the open road. However, they might not be your prime choice for heavy traffic or tight corners. Finally, let's talk about adventure bikes. These are the jack-of-all-trades in the motorcycle world. They offer versatility, capable of tackling both on-road and off-road terrains, but they might be a bit overwhelming for beginners due to their size and weight. As you can see, each of these bikes has its own unique strengths. But which one is the best? So what does the best motorcycle look like? Now that's a question with an exciting answer. The best motorcycle merges speed, comfort, style, and versatility. It's a beast on the highway, a comfort on long journeys, a head-turner in the city, and adapts to all your riding whims. But remember, the best motorcycle isn't just about the specs. It's about that thrill, that rush of joy and satisfaction it brings. In the end, the best motorcycle is the one that brings you the most joy and satisfaction. So, go out there and find your perfect ride.